My students like Benjamin, Divi, you look at many of them, why they are so successful right now? Because they are so committed towards what they are learning. You got my point, okay? It's not because of what I trained, it's not because of me, it's not because of the subject what I trained. It is all because of what is the commitment they have shown towards their success. So, to everyone who is watching out this podcast, I want to tell you this. If you want to learn something new in 2024, if you want to transform your career in 2024, please commit yourself to something. It could be anything. You want to learn dance, please commit to it. You want to learn some new skill, please commit to it. See, the commitment which you show towards whatever you're learning, you will definitely see a massive success on it. So please, once again, be committed for what you're learning.